Oh my god. What are you doing, Peter? Just take a shower. Wasted it. Clean your body. Hmm. Good girl. I know. Why so you happy? You love sunlight? Now where are you going? Don't go, Peter. Come here. You are a good girl. Come, 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 come. Good girl. What are you finding? Huh? That one gas will be here. Good girl. You are so good, Peter. You watching Mountain View? This is our backyard view. Like that? Wait. Don't like? Sit. It's your photography time, Peter. No. Sit. Good girl. You're so good, Peter. Okay, jump. You want to jump? Okay. To the till here. Say bye bye, Peter. Bye bye.